Hey guys, what's up? It's AB Trades, and I run a YouTube channel to teach people how to day trade options. Today is our weekly Sunday stock talk, where I go over stocks and what they will do most likely in the upcoming week, as well as news that we are expecting to receive in the stock market. So as always, we start off with SPY, and we start off with news that will affect the market as a whole. And if you like this content and you want to see more on how to trade options, please like, comment, and subscribe so I know you'll like the content and you want to tune in for more. So when it comes out to news, you're going to go to forex.com/calendar, and you'll see all the economic events. For the stock market, the U.S. stock market, we're going to be open tomorrow on Monday for New Year's Eve, but on New Year's the whole market will be closed the whole day, and then we'll be back up trading Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So we'll be up the trading Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, which is when I will be trading in the group chat. And if you want to join that group chat, it's free. Just click on the description below. Friday we have announcements from Fed Chair, and we also have an announcement on unemployment on Friday. So that will be some major news hitting. The only thing I want to talk about is psychology of the market. So over the past 10 years, we've been running up slowly but surely since the drop in 2008, which means every year, investors have seen a return on their money. Not this year. We opened at 267, and we're going to close somewhere around 250, right? Or somewhere in this area, which is below 267, right? There's no way we're getting back up to 267 all in tomorrow, right? So I just wanted to let you all know that if investors don't make money in this year, then they will start to sell off their positions slowly but surely, and we'll start to see another red turn down for SPY. And since the market is, I can't say the word, but I think it's called cylindrical, something like that, where every 10 years we tend to have a market correction or something happen. So we're on our 10th year here, pushing into 2018, and we're not quite generating those returns for investors. And investors and banks run the market, so we might see something happen here more to the downside, not in our favor. So that's why all our lines are charting to the downside. Now let's look specifically at SPY. So, and here we started to run down in December, and we pushed up the last 2 trading days, or 3 really, and we put in this indecision candle here at 250, which is a crucial support/resistance point. Now, we would be expecting, based on a doji forming at a resistance point, that we're going to reverse. Now, if we really want to know what the market is doing at the moment, we go to /ES, which is the futures of the market, so we can see what is happening. And it looks like we're moving to the upside. If I go on the 15-minute chart, we can see when the market opened, and it looks like we gapped up, and we are continuing to push to the upside. But again, the market has not been open that long. So again, don't expect too much from SPY overnight, especially on Sunday when not a lot of people are trading. But just know that the market did gap up, which means we may be trying to test this 250 level. Just understand that between 250 and 253 will be crucial resistance zone. So if we can get past 253, then I can see it pushing back up to 260 and then further. But again, on Tuesday the market will be closed, so we're basically going to have a whole reset of everything happening. So Monday, don't trade too heavy because I know that volume won't specifically be there. But for SPY, watch this level as resistance, and if we can get above that, then we're flying. Now on Amazon, the reason why I have the RSI indicator on here is because one of the strategies that I covered before in a video is called Rsi Divergence, which is when you have points. For instance, this point right here, these 2 lows are this is a low and this is a lower low. Yet on the RSI, we're starting to pick up some higher highs, which is it's called an RSI divergence pattern. So again, to just watch out for that. We may be seeing Amazon push to the upside being 1600 to 1700 range right here, right? Because if we're pushing lower, then we can expect it to push back into the previous resistance, what is here, before we reverse. Again, this will heavily depend on SPY. Apple, of course, I pull up Apple later and it doesn't work. I pull it up now and it doesn't want to work. Sorry, guys. But Apple is showing the same thing as Amazon in regards to the RSI divergence play, that we're starting to make these lower lows, but the RSI is starting to make the higher highs. And if I can't pull up these charts, we're going to have a sad time doing this thing. Sorry, guys. But, oh my bad, I guess it's not Apple. But it's something else. We'll see here. But again, Apple, to expect for Apple, we're bouncing here off the 150 level. I would expect a push up to this next 160, maybe 165 area before we start reversing. Again, it's all going to depend on SPY, since Apple consists of 2% of SPY. So if we can see SPY getting back up there green, then we'll see Apple green and vice versa. On Facebook, I don't know why this is taking so long. I'm so sorry. But GE is a short, so if you're looking to short something, aka buy puts on something, look at GE. Twitter is following the same pattern as Facebook, so that's going to be what is known as an ebb and flow thing. So if SPY starts to run to the upside and Twitter is not yet running to the upside, then it would more than likely run to the upside later in the day. So Twitter is more like a delayed stock, where it will. Why are they going back to Apple? Oh. Anyways, guys, I will post more about the Sunday Stock Talk and stocks that I'm looking at on my Twitter, which is linked below tonight, and on the group chat below. So thank y'all for tuning in. I'm sorry I could not go over every stock I wanted to. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hold on. We're going to have something here, and then I'll end it. So this is what I'm saying. We're having, on Facebook, is the RSI divergence, where these two lows are getting lower, but the RSI is getting higher, which is indicative of a reversal. So we can definitely see Facebook start to reverse here, at least up to 140, right? And then after 140, we can see it start to break above and eventually reach 150 if the RSI does play out that way. So guys, just watch out for that, and let's see if we can get these to load up. So yeah, let's go. Sorry for the video. It's gonna say like I'm ending, but I'm not. So this is a triangle play, break below 33, right, or $33. In a basic triangle play, you have a continuation, right? You push down below it, you come up to test this support, and then you continue to fall through. So that's what I'm going to look for on MU or Micron. Look for it to test this level again, and then push straight back down to these prior lows at the beginning of the year. Well, way past the beginning of the year. For Micron, Baba, we're looking to reverse here at around this. It balances support. We can definitely see it push back up to the upside again, depending on what the rest of the market does. Netflix, same thing here. We're looking at this descending trend line we have, and really based off SPY is what we're going to determine the rest. Twitter, as I mentioned, we're pushing to the upside, but we're not quite there. We're going to see some heavy resistance at $30 and up to $31 to see a reversal there. And as I mentioned before, GE is a short. It just keeps going lower and lower. And now it looks like we're setting up for another triangle pattern, which is what we did in the beginning. Here, I started calling out GE as a short around here. And just everyone in the group tends to just buy puts when it starts to go up. GE fundamentally is a terrible company and a terrible stock, based on opinions of financial experts, not mine. So again, guys, I will continue. I will update Twitter, put up the stocks that I'm watching tomorrow morning, and then on the group chat, and let's have a green week.